Welcome back to the vlog, guys. On today's episode, before we get into anything, I want to give a big shout out to my buddy Ryan. Ryan X is his YouTube channel. I'm going to have the link in the description below. Make sure you go and check out his channel. Why? Because he is a Lexus RCF owner who has a badass exhaust on his car and recently did some modifications to change the looks of it. And this kid did a crazy top speed run, which I'm sure you're gonna wanna see. So check out his channel, link below, and let's get into my video here today. So I just got back from work. The wife is chilling, tanning. Boredom has struck, so she's coloring and doing stuff. But the important thing is we got the lip, okay? It's a little dirty. I'm gonna clean it off and ceramic coat it, and then we are gonna install it. But what I want to show you guys is the epoxy. You can see the epoxy has fully dried. It is hard as a rock in there, and it goes all the way across the lip. And I actually went ahead and put some gauze in here off camera, just because it's gonna make it a lot stronger and stiffer than just the resin. So my brother's here to help. Let me go ahead and clean this off, ceramic coat it, and we'll go and install it on the car. All right, guys, before we install this lip, I'm gonna use some G-Technique panel wipe and Chrism Serum Light to ceramic coat the lip so we get some nice beading action so it stays nice and clean. I am not going to polish it like I did last time, because more than likely, fingers crossed, it won't happen, but this lip will get destroyed within a few months or years here by another road debris. So we're not gonna waste the time to polish it. We'll just coat it and call it a day.
What's going on, guys? Bully Kid here, taking control of the camera systems here on this iPhone 11, and we're gonna make this something different than your typical videos. We're actually gonna make it a interesting video this time, okay? So we're gonna give you sick angles like this all over the place. Boom! You know what I'm saying? So enjoy the video. Thanks for subscribing to Bullet's Garage. And if you guys want to check out Bully Kid's channel, I installed the old lip on my Honda Civic and it looks great. What is this?
This basically preps the panel for the ceramic coating, so it removes all. It's basically like a grease and tar remover, or like an alcohol IPH solution.
IPH meaning isopropyl alcohol, because I usually don't know when they say IPH. It's isopropyl alcohol. I'm sure you can use any kind of alcoholic solvent here, right? Rubbing alcohol, any kind of stuff like that.
To make sure it's all
degrease
clean.
it.
So we are good to go here. Let's get our coating.
Oh, so you didn't even put the resin all the way on here, right?
For what?
Yeah, but it's dry though. I mean, for the most part, it's dry. I don't think it's fully dried yet, but should have put more hardener in there.
I did for the second round.
Yeah.
Put like 20 drops in there.
Oh, that sounds pretty good. Man, I don't know what stinks in your neighborhood, bro. Did you smell that? I smelled it from in front of.
You did? Before you cut?
Before I did it, I cut the grass.
Wow, you see that? She
My
cut
wife
the
cut the grass.
She cut the grass.
That's what happens when you're unemployed and I'm the
grass.
only one facing COVID disasters.
Oh man! Shout out
Alright,
shout out to the wife. Oh man, I think I just touched it.
It's okay. That's the underneath side.
Oh, okay.
Alright, we're gonna get some drops on the pad here.
So this is the what? Ceramic coating?
Yes. Oh.
Is this brand new? Did it crystallize?
No, I mean it's when I coated the GsF with this. I have leftover.
Oh, okay.
Let me get the dropper.
I don't know, man. A lot of people believe in this.
Best product in the world.
First there was OptiCoats. You remember OptiCoats?
Yeah, but that's the type of a ceramic coating.
But you got that on your GTI, right? And I remember when you got it opti-coated and the guy missed one spot,
And
you
then
could tell the
yeah.
difference between the opti-coated black paint you had on your GTI and the other non-coated.
Exactly. Well,
And it
this
was
is-
such a difference in gloss and
This is a
depth.
better formula. It doesn't crystallize as hard as the other ones do, or as fast.
Whatever that means.
I'm gonna do half the lip.
So
I mean, you know, the top side. I mean, it's probably hard for you to see on camera. Well, you could probably see it from this angle.
the sheen or
The
whatever.
sheen, yeah. But basically, you're just gonna apply it, more or less cross-hatch pattern, and then wipe it off.
Dang, iPhone 11 for the win, bro. Anyway, everybody wants to know if this lip takes a dump again, what's gonna be the next plan for front lips?
We're gonna find something on eBay that fits better and that's designed for the GSF.
You think they have anything?
Yeah, I already seen a couple that have it. It's specific for the GSF, so it fits a lot better. It's around $400 just the front lip.
How much was this one? Like 250?
Well, the whole kit with the side skirts was like $6 something.
Okay. So the other one's more, obviously, probably because you're paying for the F
Yeah.
itself. I mean, you could definitely get away with this lip, though. I mean,
yeah.
it's definitely doable. You might have to do a little bit custom adjustments, some custom cutting to make it work, but it's definitely doable. It doesn't look like
So right now, you kind of look and you see the streaks. Once this looks like it starts to sweat, which I'll show you, that's when you know you wipe it off. So you can see right there, it's starting to streak, almost like sweat. So that's how you know it's ready to wipe off. So let's go ahead and wipe it off.
It's a tough job out here, man. Multitasking at its finest. Yeah, I mean, you don't got much room here, though.
All right, so I got the car up on my flat stoppers to give me a little lift, and now hit that airlift.
Yeah, if I freaking knew where it was.
It's on the dash, bro, next to the steering wheel.
He doesn't know.
Oh,
Want
I
me to
see
hold
it.
it?
Up we go.
That's it, right?
I didn't even go up all the way because there's probably not enough air pressure. But we'll make it go up. But this is gonna give us enough space to work on the car and install that lip real quick.
All right, guys, so we got about 7 inches of clearance right now. And just in a second here, he's gonna switch on his airlift kit and we'll see how much we gain here, how much height we gain. So you ready? Yeah. All right, hit it. Yeah, just about 2 inches, man. Not bad. 2-inch lift. Where's that air cup kit? Yeah, there you go. It's pretty cool, man. I gotta say, I'm a fan of that part. I wish they actually had that for the rear too, you know, so you can lift everything. But anyway, y'all remember this rim right here? This was a spare wheel for the GSF. He never had to use it. It's not a bad wheel, not a bad design. 255 35 19 sitting and gathering dust, as you can see. Oh, you got the hub ring and everything, huh?
Right.
So what's the center bore on these hubs?
No clue.
You don't remember? Well, what center bore is this?
The car's is like a 60.1.
60.1? Yeah, Toyotas and Lexuses usually have small bores for the wheels. I know Honda's 64.1, and you can't run a lot of Toyota wheels on Hondas because of that smaller bore. And yeah, it's just, yeah, I mean, it's hard to say what it is unless you measure it, but like I put a lot of wheels from different manufacturers on my Honda. I put Infinity wheels, Acura wheels, Nissan wheels I've ran, but Toyota wheels, like I said, those bores are so small, I can't fit them on my hub. You would have to actually take it to a machine shop to bore the inside of the wheel, the center bore, make it bigger in order to fit, like for example, my Honda. Too much work, not worth it. What do you want? What do you want? So I thought, you know, once you get married, you're not gonna be involved in cars and all these libs and lowering your car, and I'm a tuner or JDM, yo. And I was definitely wrong. It still happens after marriage. So if you're a car guy, you're always gonna be a car guy, period.
See if we can fit those bolts in.
But this is definitely putting so much pressure on this side right here. You see what I'm saying? If you tighten those too much, there's so much pressure going on this side here. And then look at and then all the airflow is just pushing down on here. But this is the best part right here. I think this angle, looking down at the car, with the factory bumper just cutting off here, you're killing it. You're not really making it look as aggressive. So this little carbon fiber piece coming and protruding over the bumper right here, that's the money maker right there.
All right, so after a lot of messing with this, it's on. It's not perfect. Never buying this lip again.
eBay.
So once this lip goes, we'll get a proper one, proper fitting. But let me show you the finished product, and it is what it is. 20 feet away looks good.
What do you mean, bro? Don't downgrade it. It looks great.
So that's how it sits. I don't like that there's so much space right there, but I mean, there's no other way to mount that. These two center pieces are stretched like crazy in order to be flush with this. And then we go around there. And that's it. So overall, we got our lip back on. Hopefully it lasts for a good old time without cracking or ripping off and giving me any issues. And then we'll go from there. But this, wow, it just looks so good right there with the yellow standing out like that. I'm a big fan. All right, guys, make sure you check out Orion X channel with his RCF. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you on the next video. And subscribe to Bully Kid, duh.
I was gonna say, man, where's my shout out?
Duh.
Subscribe.